lollipop is really good, but I wish it was bigger. Let's make a lollipop that's 100 times bigger! We are gonna make a huge lollipop. So what you will need is a huge stick. I'm gonna use this metal tube as a stick. A tinfoil pan, and its size is medium. Light syrup, sugar, food coloring. Hey guys, get some help. Put the stick through the tinfoil pan. Hey, this is my tray for the lollipop. So you see that I put actually like wax paper on it so the lollipop doesn't stick to the tinfoil tray. Add 2 cups of water, 7.5 cups of sugar, 3 cups of light syrup. Start cooking at medium heat. Keep on stirring the mixture very often. When it starts boiling, add your food coloring of your choice. Be sure that the mixture is 300 degrees Fahrenheit with the thermometer. Don't forget you need help from an adult. Let the lollipop cool down. And look at my huge lollipop. It isn't perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's so good. But the good thing is, it's so delicious. But it's so cool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!